In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GlobalShiksha animated video SD card in your Android device. So when you purchase the study material either on globalshiksha.com or from the education counselors, you receive this mail in which we have explained the whole process in a few simple steps. Let me show you how to proceed. So first you have to insert the SD card in your Android device. As we can see here in step 2, that we have to install the app called EduChat. So there is a link given just above this icon. When we click on it, it will take us straight to the app in the Play Store. Then we have to click install, accept, and wait for it to install on the phone. Once it is installed on your Android device, you click open and you will enter the app. Now you have to use your registered mobile number to log in, and then you have to enter the OTP. That is the one-time password that you had received on your registered number. So we enter the number and then enter the OTP. Once you enter the OTP, the app asks you to enter your role. In order to access the videos, you have to select student. You have to enter your name. Let me enter a dummy name here. Okay. Then we have to select a grade. When we select a grade, we click continue. This takes us to the home of this application. Under my account, we have saved videos. Here we can access GlobalShiksha animated video study material. We can choose any topic we want to study and hence the animated videos. So all the best for your education and have fun learning.